Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to delete render files in Filmora application for mobile device. There isn't a direct option to delete render files or cache files within the app itself. So in order to do that, you will have to manage your files by clearing your app cache from your device. Go ahead and open the settings application from your mobile device. Now go ahead and tap on the apps option. From the app option, look for the Filmora app and tap on it. This will open up the app info section. Simply go ahead and tap on storage from the menu and click on clear cache at the bottom right. Now tap on clear data at the bottom left and click on OK. This action will now remove temporary files that may include render files on Filmora app. So that is the only way you can delete render files in Filmora. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.